Hi, I am Shankar, Product Specialist, Evaporation Solutions in Buchi. Today I would like to introduce to you the solution Rotavapor Dynamic.
This is a flexible modular platform that can easily be adapted to individual needs ranging from simple manually operated rotary evaporator to a full complete system. This is made possible by a broad range of optionals. The lift for rising and lowering the evaporation flask is available in electronic as well as the manual version. The heating bath is available in versions designed for 1 liter evaporation flask or a 5 liter evaporation flask. The larger heating bath can handle 5 liters evaporation flask and can attain a maximum temperature of 220 degrees, while the smaller heating bath can handle 1 liter evaporation flask and can attain a maximum temperature of 95 degrees. Both the heating baths have common base. The heating bath uses kettle technology and the heating bath can be easily changed or removed for easy cleaning without removing the electrical connections. For safety, the base of the heating bath is splash proof. Heating bath base has an integral display that shows rotation speed, bath temperature and lift position. The lift position is only available on electronic lift. We can set and lock the temperatures by pressing the knob. Similarly, for releasing the lock, you need to press the knob. The maximum temperature of the heating bath can be set to 95 degrees, 180 degrees and 220 degrees. The ergonomic design of the rotary evaporator helps you handle it with ease. The patented compi clip with snap lock allows connections and removal of the evaporation flask with ease. The rotation knob helps you rotate the evaporation flask to a maximum of 280 rpm. In case of any urgent or unexpected event, you can immediately stop the rotations by just pressing the rotation knob. The evaporation flask is at a default angle of 25 degrees, which gives you an efficient utilization of surface area to volume ratio. There is a wide opening on the top of the condenser for easy cleaning of the condenser. There is a marking on the condenser showing the maximum permissible height of vapors for maximum recovery of condensate. We have introduced a new condensate trap. This will collect the condensate on the walls of the condenser and keep the instrument product safe as it protects condensate to enter into the drive unit or the receiving flask. The device can be operated with either of the two control panels, the interface i300 or i300 Pro, which act as central control units. Depending on the user's preference, the display can be mounted either on the rotary evaporator or on the vacuum pump or on the laboratory wall using a special mount. It is also possible to operate rotary evaporator with two interface units. With the benefit of bidirectional communication, any operation can be carried out from either interface unit at any time. In addition, quick manual adjustment of rotation speed, heating bath temperature and coolant temperature can be made anytime by means of the control knob. Here we have i300 Pro, which has a large intuitive touchscreen, gives you easy glimpse of all the parameters on the home page. If you click on the left side of the parameters, a chart is displayed and will help you understand the process parameters graphically. It has a set of functions that can help you in easy control of process. Manual mode helps you to manually control your entire process and organize the operations. Timer function, this will help you to set and maintain the time for a defined process. Pump continuously helps you to use the vacuum pump at full capacities and continuously. Autodest, this is used for unknown solvent distillation. The vacuum is automatically regulated on basis of the difference between the inlet and outlet temperatures on the condenser and the change in the vapor temperature. This enables uncomplicated automatic distillation even of complex mixtures. Previously, automatic distillation of foaming samples presented a major challenge, but now Buchi has developed an optical foam sensor through the vapor duct and positioned above the sample. Foaming is detected in its very early stage and then suppressed by a brief venting of the system. Drying mode. The evaporation flask rotates clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. This gives a tumble motion, thereby not allowing the particles to settle on the walls of the evaporation flask. Method. This helps you design and create procedures for your process based on sequential operation procedures. For customers who follow standard operation procedures, the sequence can be precisely defined and the interface unit controls every step automatically. Push message notification is made possible by the new Buchi Cloud solutions. The Buchi Rotavapor mobile app shows the current specified settings and the actual readings as they would be displayed on the interface unit. You can connect your mobile using the QR code which is generated by the system. If the mobile is connected to an i300, even progression graphs can be displayed. Any number of rotary evaporators, R300 units can be connected via the Rotavapor app. The status of all units in one or more laboratories can be viewed at a glance. The app can also be configured to send out warning notifications. That means a laboratory manager can keep track of all equipments from any place at any time. For a set of known solvents, we have widely used solvent library with 43 solvents. You can also create your own solvent library with a maximum of 60 solvents. The interface includes item numbers of essential wear and tear parts, which makes it easy for you to order the spares as and when required. The optional Eco mode guarantees economical operations by switching the chiller to an energy saving standby mode after a defined period, and also enables the desired temperature to be reached again in a short time. The i300 Pro differs from i300 by having a large 7-inch touchscreen. In addition, the large display means that all parameters can be seen at a glance. The data can also be displayed in chart form and exported to the SD card and viewed in CSV file. While the method function mentioned earlier is exclusive for i300 Pro, all other operational modes including automatic distillation are also integrated in the i300. Along with the rotary evaporator R300, the new speed control vacuum pump V300 has also been introduced. The pump has super silent operation with the flow rate of 1.8 meter cube per hour and a terminal vacuum of 5 millibar. The vacuum pump V300 is ideally suited for distillation in combination with the rotary evaporator. With this transparent front, potential particle contaminations can be immediately detected. The optional secondary condenser makes sure that all solvent vapors are condensed when discharged from the pump, thus guaranteeing safe laboratory working. A fill level sensor informs the user when the condensate in the receiving flask should be emptied. Just like the vacuum pump, the recirculation chiller F305 fits perfectly into the overall system and can be easily operated from the i300 or i300 Pro central interface unit. The chiller F305 is designed for an optimal distillation based on the Buchi 60-40-20 rule with an operational temperature range of 5 degrees to 25 degrees centigrade. An emergency switch allows for shutting down the distillation. The optional temperature lock makes you sure that the temperature is not inadvertently changed. The tubings may be insulated to prevent the loss of cooling capacity if required.
Thanks for your valuable time. For more information, please do visit our website www.buchi.com.